So yeah, today I'm going to check out the Lucid Gravity. It was dropped off probably a week ago for the service. So I'm not sure it's still parked in the same location. By the way, I'm gonna go through this app real quick. As you see, there's a lock and unlock, and then the trunk. The one on the right hand side is once you get into the car, if you want to drive the Lucid Gravity, you need to press that button in order to allow you to drive the car. Let's go ahead and scroll down the down arrow. And on the second row right here, there is a horn button, the headlight button. And then this one, you could adjust the height. So unfortunately, the vehicle is too far right now. It says highest, and then high, standard, low, and then lowest. And then on the video icon right there, that is for the halo view. You can view the front, back, left and right hand side camera. And there's a button right here for you to roll down the window. It says open all windows slightly to ventilate cabin. Confirm or cancel. I'm going to cancel since the car is in service right now. I don't want to spook them. So let's go ahead and then click on the halo view. So I want to check the vehicle and make sure if they are working on the vehicle or not, or still parked at the same place with the near the metal box or power station. Let's see. Yeah, it seems that the vehicle did not move at all. I'm not sure what are they doing. They want to service the vehicle for about 4 weeks, and they're not even working on the vehicle. So with this view, you can hit the front camera. It shows the front, and then left, right, and then rear. So yeah, I know the locations. The car did not get moved because I saw this metal box behind the vehicle previously. And then there's a grid view right here. Go back to all four views. So let me see. So on the bottom is the same thing: horn, headlight, lock and unlock. You got the front, and then the lift gate on the back. Let's go ahead and go back. So right here under the climate, you could turn on and off. Right now the cabin shows 74. So on the second row right here, you can put on a max AC. And then on the left side, there's like a cooling the roof or something of the vehicle. And then on the right hand side, this is the pet. So it says creature comfort mode. Keep your pets comfortable while you are away, and notify passersby that they are safe. Your displays will be disabled. You will receive notification to warn you before this mode automatically turns off at 10 miles of range. So you can enable it or cancel. So I'm going to cancel. I'm just going to go back for now. I'll cancel. And right here on the surface, you could turn on the front steering wheel, heated steering wheel. You could turn heated seat, and then the next one, perforate cooled seat. And then right here is the rear. Rear only heated seat. So on the left hand side for the front is the driver's side. That's why you see the steering wheel. And then the right side is for the passenger. You could only turn on the heated seat or the perforated cooling seat. So this is all under climate control here. Let's go back. And then charging, right here you could select toggle how many percentage, and battery recondition right here. On the bottom is the current limited. You can set it at 80 amp. That's when you go to like a supercharging station. I think 40 amp is only applied to the level 2 charging max. And you could schedule charging right here. You can set the time. Wow, somebody adjusted. Normally we set it to 11 or 1. And then right here is the Lucid charging service. Let's see the charging history. And then there's a summary. Terms and conditions, charging tip, and then email receipt. And then that's it for under charging. And then on the bottom right here is the live view. That's the same icon we just did earlier. And then a halo secure. That's in case if you get an accident or anything like that, but you will need to insert like a USB drive inside the glove compartment. So it is currently on. And then software update. So the software is up to date. And if you need to update your key fob, you need to go here and then follow the instruction and then click on get started. So it says service here. The car is currently in service. So as you can see, it says in service. And that is the Lucid service center that we visit. You can also click on see all location and select the one that you prefer. So these are all the one that's on within California on the first couple of the dealers or the service station. You got the Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania. And then that's it. It says a vehicle service history. Let me see. Not yet. Go back. So and then the last one, it shows vehicle information. It shows the mileage and then the VIN number. And then on the middle one, you can track your car, see where is the locations at. And then you could click on the lightning bolt and try to find out the charging near your vehicle or near your surrounding. And you could click on it. Shows 3 out of 12. I'm not sure. I think that's Tesla charging. What's it doing? And if you click on the top, you can select the charging, all brand, or you could try to filter it out, Electrify America or whatever. But right now, currently is under all brands. I mean, Tesla, Sema Connect, Blank, EV Gold, Charge Point, Electrify Canada, Electrify America. And then you can select on the kilowatt, 300, 150 or whatever, 50 or 0. What the? And then if you want, you can click on the search. Let's say, for example, this one. And it show you the mileage. I mean, it show you the mileage and then how long it take from Costa Mesa to the one in Corona. Well, there you have it. Let's see. If you click on the person right here, you have your referrals. Scan the QR code or share the link. Share the link. There's a link. So you could earn 2,000 points. Depends on the vehicle. Well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one as always. Peace.